Welcome to the Resogra Vendor Academy. In this video, you will learn how to send an email newsletter to your customers, right from your vendor panel. A good email brings shoppers back to your store and turns first-time buyers into regulars. The best part is that you can write it once in English and once in French, so every customer reads it in their own language. Let us get started. From your vendor panel, open Vendor Email Marketing in the left menu. This is your home for reaching customers by email. To begin a new message, click the New Campaign button, highlighted here. First, give your email a subject. This is the line customers see in their inbox, so keep it short and inviting, like New Arrivals, 10% off this weekend only. Right below, write the same subject in French. Resogra is a marketplace for everyone, so writing both versions means every customer reads your email in the language they are most comfortable with. Now write the body of your email in English. Keep it friendly and clear. Tell customers what is new, why it matters, and what you would like them to do next. Then write the same message in French. It takes a moment, but it doubles the number of customers who feel spoken to directly, and that is what builds loyalty. If you would like a button in your email, add a call to action link here, such as the address of your store. When customers click it, they go straight to your products. Next, choose who gets your email. You can send it to your store followers, to customers who have ordered from you before, or to both. Pick the group that fits your message. When everything looks good, click Save Draft to keep your work. From your campaigns list you can review it one more time, then send it whenever you are ready. That is all it takes. And that is how you send a newsletter on Resogra. Reaching out by email is one of the simplest ways to grow repeat sales, so send one whenever you have news worth sharing. Thanks for watching the Vendor Academy, and welcome to the Resogra family.